Kia ora whānau. We're here in our home in Tūwharetoa, Taupo, to talk to Candice Brunning and Janice Brunning. And so come along and enjoy the ride with us. We're going to have a bit of a kōrero tonight. Just want to thank you to whānau, the kaupapa, for sharing a bit of inspiration in our world. And so here we go. So, who's going to start first? Okay. What would you like to introduce yourself?
Kia ora, my name is Candice Brunning. I'm 13 years old. Go to Tauponui Atia College. Pretty good, yeah.
Kia ora.
Me. Kia ora, I'm Janice Brunning. I'm 15 years old and I go to Tauponui Atia College.
Kia ora. Okay, we're just, been having a bit of informal kōrero tonight about a few things, but mainly tonight I just want to ask you a question. What inspires you?
Well, my parents are the ones that inspire me. They're there day one, always pushed me hard to my limits and stuff. Always there.
Kia ora. Kia ora.
Oh, it wasn't actually my parents that inspired me. Sorry. It was a movie that I watched, The Short Game, about, I think it was 9 kids, 8 years under, that competed in a Pinehurst competition for all around the world competitors.
Wow. So when we're talking about the inspiration, are we talking about the inspiration of going to school, or are we talking about the inspiration of golf? Because that's what I hear is a passion of yours.
Yeah, golf.
Yeah. Why is golf an inspiration to you too?
Because Dad introduced it to us.
Yeah.
I used to just push his clubs around. Then he asked us one day to
Come and play.
come and have a game.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Oh, I liked it.
Yeah.
And so since you've liked it, how many years have you been doing it?
3.
3 years. I see you're in the newspaper all the time. The Brunning girls, the Brunning sisters. Let's talk a little bit about your achievements. I know you're really humble girls, and you find it difficult to talk about all the achievements you've had for the past 3 years. So let's just share a few with everybody about what you've done and what you've achieved.
Laughing for.
I played in the competition over in Kawerau when I was just beginning, and I came third place for that one.
Yeah.
And then in the next competition, I didn't expect to come first, but I ended up coming first and got a whole bunch of prizes and golf balls.
Wow.
And that.
Yeah.
We playing the Saturday ladies, so we be first old ladies.
Do you? What do you mean old? Like my age?
No.
Oh, older.
People with more experience.
Oh, that's a nice term.
So I won. I got most improved
Yeah.
player, and I've won this 2 years in a row
Wow.
so far.
Got her name on the back.
And my name on the back twice.
Well done. Well done. That's awesome.
We won a school one last week Monday, and we get presented the trophy at school on Thursday.
And what did you win that for? What did you specifically do? I don't know anything about golf, hey? So if you're talking to me who doesn't know anything about golf, what did you do? Obviously you played golf, but what did you do to get that trophy?
I listened to my coach and just do my practice shot and just hurry up and hit it.
Awesome. Yeah.
So I don't think about it.
Yep.
Because if I think about it, I just stuff up.
Yeah. Do you do that in life sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ka pai. So, how do you keep committed to your goals in terms of your golf?
Well,
Yeah. Yeah. Do you travel around when you play golf?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you travel to?
Hauraki, Tauranga, Napier, everywhere.
Far out. Awesome. Is someone else inspiring? Are you over there in that corner? Dad. We actually going to let you know that we've got a mum on Skype here because she's a very busy lady and she's off doing her nursing degree, and we've got a dad sitting here who's a little bit shy. So we're just going to ask him now if he wants to say anything or she wants to say anything. Kia ora. Kia ora. You know, just got up. So you've given them some great teachings.
Yeah, it's the way we've been brought up.
Yeah.
Even when we go to the marae and we always have to help.
Yeah. Yeah. What about you, Dad? What's your name?
What was that?
What's your name?
Oh, okay. My name's Delvin Bunny. The parents of Shanice and Candice, one of the parents. I support a lot with how Ichi whānau and what they do. I try and lead what they do with my kids.
Kia ora.
Always looking at, getting them out there, keeping them away from violence if they could.
Kia ora.
The main thing is that, I've seen it through my life, so I sort of like try and keep it away from our kids. The attitude for kids are changing now.
Mm.
If you go back in our days, the respect was there,
Yeah.
for parents,
Yeah.
for everybody.
Yeah.
You could just leave everything open and go out.
Yeah.
And nobody will go into your house, nobody will steal your car,
Yeah.
but now it's all changing, the whole thing.
Yeah.
And that's why I sort of like try and push these kids, so let's go backwards.
Yeah.
Instead of and then go backwards and go come forward.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the right attitude.
Yeah. No. Awesome. And they are very much like that. They're amazing, amazing girls.
And we try and work hard on them and try and keep them, not to be
Selfish.
to look at everyone else
Yeah.
that needs that.
Yeah. And the other thing that you would have been proud of is that they sat on the floor and they just played with the kids and kept them entertained so the parents could do their thing.
They're
Yeah.
pretty good on that.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah. It's because they did tuakana tainu exercises at Mauri or the rain. Yeah, nah, cool.
You gotta change your ways to make new ways. So that's how I see it anyway.
Kia ora. Thanks very much, Delvin. And Miri, thank you very much for beaming in on Skype and being here with us tonight. Mauri ora kia tātou katoa. Kia ora. Can you remember any of the E Tu Whānau values? Because, we are here to talk about E Tu Whānau as well.
Was aroha,
Yeah,
whanaungatanga.
yeah. What do those things mean to you? Just you. It doesn't have to mean anything to anybody else. But what does aroha and whanaungatanga mean to you in terms of your life, Candice's life?
Aroha is like sharing, it's like love between everybody,
Yeah.
like connecting people,
Yep.
sharing love with everybody.
Yeah. And you have a lot of love in your whānau, because I know your whānau. And they're very special, and especially your parents, I see them share a lot of love with you in terms of getting you everywhere you need to go, and you can't get in the newspaper and on the golf course without the way, because not at this age, you can't drive yet. What was your other value that you said?
Whanaungatanga.
Yeah, what does that mean to you?
It's about being connected.
Yep.
And
Halfway. so I'm really glad to be connected to you two and to your parents, and I'm really grateful, and I'm looking forward to possibly being able to take you away with us to the E2 Whānau Rangatahi Conference, but if not, we will take your aroha with us on film. And I just want to say to people out there that are watching this, these young talented rangatahi could do with some support. So if you want to support them in any way, get in touch with us at E2 Whānau, and we'll see what we can do to help you out, to help them out. Just finishing up, would you recommend E2 Whānau kaupapa to any rangatahi, and why?
Yes. And why? Because it helps you.
Yeah. How does it help?
A positive change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So what are we looking at changing within E2 Whānau?
For us. Yeah.
For anybody really. What would you say to any rangatahi that come and said to you, well, what are you going away for their hui? What is E2 Whānau on about? We had a bit of a kōrero last night about E2 Whānau with our kaupapa that we had last night together. And so what did you get out of that when you were there last night?
Well, they said it was all about connecting with other people. Yeah.
And how were those people able to assist with the transformation of violence? What did they do to help themselves?
They kept pushing themselves.
Yeah. How?
I don't know, that little voice inside of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Halfway. Is there anything else that you'd like to say before we finish up today?
Come to E2 Whānau,
Yeah. Yeah. Well, here's a prime example of te manakaha o te whānau. You know, whānau standing up for themselves, whānau investing in their children and their initiatives, and supporting them, you know. So also their dad and their mum talk about how doing this also keeps them out of trouble, keeps them off the streets, keeps them in positive places. And so I just like to congratulate this whānau for the great legacy that they leave, and also what they're going to continue to be. So mauri ora ki a tātou.